abusian form fan chame, but this was actually getting more serious than we thought. It was actually getting more serious than we wished. Also, me catch a video and then tembatment to me a man because of issue be and I'm resolving. Auntie Mr. Fachame, I think I need to come talk to people about it. Mami Pia onte her or Australia. Auntie Jemfua. Or say on social media so I know who say ne ba or what Ghana ha no more than the school. Or say akola met na Ghana ha no nje Ghana ntete because they all have this belief say Ghana no your ethics and your morals na yes say abrochio to akola o na was say. Ti ne ba na met na Ghana ha no nje ethics. Would you believe say maame ne ba na tena phone so fiti and now no pay? Do you know why? Maame ne si wo hu say ne ba ko comment mommy I love you. E wa fia was nigga post to asinti wa this only akola no. Maame ne say ne ba na share the title or what or no maame no as a mother ne ba na share the title with anyo bia ti say fia was nigga enti maame ne buafu wa this only ne ba na me ne maame ne ba ne tina phone so pa cha fiti anopa na ye Kenyans asema kire mu social media so hanamo a you people should be grateful and thank God for our lives. Say you expose people like these people are or hide behind cameras. Now so omusu bayanka so mo de tiasa so no enye papa bia was nigga someone is disowning her daughter because the child came to under your post to post mommy. Akure no so sa wa pa na mama a cho sa. Akrana show me prove what just wa block your face nigga wa follow no wa any bibia still ne mama say for the fact say one hu tete ya me wo mama me de ma wunti uko comment obi te say sa poster sinti no mama ni bu afu. Now I'm sure say mama no anger nyina is based on sister Fiashwas nigga ungratefulness. Mama ne anger nyina is based on the Fiashwas nigga's ungratefulness. Now when him secret I wo more information say more evidence I want. Mostly we don't like coming to prove with evidence no because what would the evidence ba obi huaka nini ya concern na nini ya concern na if friends concern na we ye do Jubilee House ho no no ono a me boni din say ye mahye no ma hu say wonu wunu na fiasho stega wonu ya concern me person me bo honorable man ni din mama obi losing adwuma nipa we ye in charge of transport and logistics ewo Jubilee House no nini ya afiasho nega nua concern link nipa no e de ni ma afiasho nega wona na ona afiasho nega e da afiasho nega ye am married na mabusuafo mi kuna busuafo nyina nimme fa hin ko sin hin no the man have lost his job papa no ya pamna for Jubilee House wo bad luck obi ti say afiasho bad luck information se kutani pawiase information se kutani pawiase according to papa na we in charge of roads and logistics so hwan no ono osi afia wo ompewo wo na wo do ho hihye no na wo frefre no even crap papa no wo more stories tell more about them they don't want to believe it because and some papa na can time if you ask me can say wonu ya konkonsa elenke wo ma ministry of hwan no your friend is saying you're in charge of logistics and roads and so wo ni papa make right so him say me can control because me boss so we ma show people say we information no way the reason why you cannot attack me back no is because you wonder where I get your informations from. That is why you cannot even attack me which I know. But you rather go behind me, call my bosses, call me penny for me. If you are ungrateful, my head, what do you have for command in the mammy? Head, what do you have for command in the mammy? I was your for a fierce was nigga, mano. James and John. I'm sorry, some didn't call any boom. It's supposed to be with an mammy. But I'm not here to insult and call on shade. They are such an innocent boys. They have nothing to me. Yet to tell me yo, and to be back. Obi mame ya fane man to komuni obi yadia ya fane enkulano I'm not saying say I'm not going against them but I'm just letting you people know I just said one man was South Africa o man fan ko South African passport nchiremo me amaka munde no say address your mama be kase one man was South Africa o fan ko South African passport nchire ye me na me kan ye Afiashwas nega wo ma James and John wa Ghana ha woni sa bro nyina kokora no wie kogu okohu wa America no wo Ghana ha. And a we would jaw mama Afrakuma mame. Afrakuma mame share James and John 7 years now Kobo shower South Africa. I feel so on your cabin crew. On course school bio. Me say soldier for attad and then I'm touch picture I say. Me a soldier ni. Me say soldier for attad and then dress as an army person. JBP na me chat picture. Me patch be a soldier ni. Good. And if someone dresses like a cabin crew, if I have a soldier, an army friend, na me attad which is illegal. Chat picture. And now me am market. Got to talk Kaftan. Na me chat picture. Patch na me a cabin crew. Na me a soldier ni. Afia so asnega woni me anu nyina nim say wotimi frɛ Emma woni no ejina phone so you call Emma on phone na mo sre about you deceiving Ghanaians say we a cabin crew wa ko hen fa school aviation school no na mo sre about it woni Emma timi jina phone so Emma say afia nti Ghana for agi wadi che na mo de from na mo sre because won ko cabin crew school bia wo frɛ Emma wo afia so asnega me na me ka kyerɛw I'm putting it to you. What in the Emma? Some can Emma winning no. Monica na wajena boss on ne. Monica down for Emma. Say winning no. What me free Emma ni jina phone so? Na mo sere Ghanaians for believing say wo ka say wo ko cabin crew this uniform na wo share your trap picture na beto na mo a na Ghana for agye di. You love Ghanaians. E Ghana for da mo dibi di pa. Na mo da fam quick. Na mo sere. Na mo da fam na mo sere. I fear your ungratefulness took you. Emma, Miss Emma, Afrakuma, ma me share James and John. Emma Okopa shower was South Africa 7 years. Oba ya dia na dia ma me ne ne ba no. Wo ba ya dia na dia Afrakuma ma me ne ba Luxen. Muntie me. Me mama run down of a fear so as niggas ungratefulness. Na ma hu say enya Shamodi nko an ode aye no. Enya obofo wa About $1 best play ebe spray wo birthday asenkwa na ade no enya bofo a watam sika chichiri die over 200 million eto gold chain papa to ko mu no kwa na ade no na mom what the young crofo fititete your ungratefulness is from tete one John James and John or the John to akokra na wone ne e wo ne ma no or the John to akokra na the John akokra no the John woni James and John wo mo and wo John ma Afrakuma ma me hwenkola ne 7 years Afrakuma tini bottom ska no de atoaduane ama wo manadi wo toaduane ma ne ma me atwe wo hye wo man ne ma me for 7 years afia for tipom ko South Africa na ko bo brafa bra ukoye no ukobo ahye wo na fofo a wo na mo ko ahye wo South Africa nya minimum mo afia so asnega Monica's pap e wo takwa onse wo gina mu wo ho unse takwa fo mu afia so unse takwa fo mu takwa ni ma me bi hu se ne ba follow kra otimi bubbo ne ba na ni so because omu hu say we exposed ashawo wagina Kumasi Viana abo golden tulip omo no dey na ifia me so ohun run down eguyensem wabrabo me gina ha menya perfect o oba bia wo si so a won ware ya wo ne mema da bia no ye kan ashawo do be ka ho. Everyone has a horrible past. We are all trying to grow and improve on our past to be better today, but if you just got the earth sign and the past time air tiny don't I know them man the guts so be can for some Ghana or be ungrateful. Me say if she was able to be ungrateful to Afrakuma and mama aboa osra na me wo sika and o sika ni woni hu and she me no nya na yesresre de di Ghana ha yesresre me here bibia Queen's gluta cash is glutation come boni di omo oh no last year she helped me with an amount of money. Mr. Mimi na just mama tie yi se me fo sika mpo me ho me ni hwe nyame na me sre ne so be me kese no mama me nkwatentia ye adwuma na me de ahwe me ma na me no bi anu nyina ye da one scale mimi hia bibi na me do obi a me friend pa na ka chane Aisha my action no watam bam say now no pa me sorry me share me phone so alert Aisha send me money was this is for my godson was me ba na godson every month bi akwa ne sika ba na kada kroma so ne ma begina ha ma betwa ntro se Aisha ma miskada once pe ana o he me ba na once pe me ye baifo If I do that, I'm a witch. If you 4 months ago, what Afrakuma Australia? You called Afrakuma in Australia to send you money. Now why is she? Afrakuma invitation. I met no Australia. Now they're gonna know who I pose again. A friend is saying, and Shraba Kodomo dollars, so I bet now pay you. So now to move you on one drive cost painters. No one's on their come home. Who to high pressure? Who my high pressure? Now no Bokasana. Me say, a friend is saying, I Shamodi, one could share $20,000 no. A friend is saying, Diamond appear me 5 minutes as I never quack on TI, Cotas, and could share $20,000 in Nakotoni. Who num, Cassa, and so if you was friend weddy, Bessin Naya will say, why ye? What did you in Shabba Kojomo dollars back front? It was social media in an if you still call people begging for money. What fra kuma last month, Srenisika. Every year, I catch so more invitation. James and John, one more South Africa. I dare you. Don't come back at me with insults. And a Jaisa would dear Namun ya can't hono crano. Jaisa would dear baby Monica do to Coshayano. Jaisa would dear Cohono. Jaisa would dear Cohon anybody bay for sale. Jaisa would dear Namun baby Monica. I do to Coshayano. So they can Yamashu. I don't want baby who's a Monica do quiet. Jaisa was says Monica no ye me a downfall. Now find a downfall. We'll change the boss. Jai baby Monica they will quiet and Jaisa would dear Nam Honomono. Now what do you quiet you? Baby, I didn't be and we see it. Oh, but I hope you see a castle. I just physically and I behind any person who may be an queer. Trust me, spiritually. Oh, boy. A bomb pie, you soon Yamio. Namio, I don't know, cry to your touch, Masono. 1 penny, my war. Ungrateful and in Guassini, but to say, oh, dear, soon couldn't die. Unless a Yamia would do the cry to your touch, and can I just say, Yamin, when you walk? And stop paying hungry. Twat on Facebook, hungry bloggers, no more Facebook on some made Jai Shatem. Jai, Asha would dinner time and Rakarawana. Asha would dinner time and refuse you couldn't sleep. Also the whole night. Ubisa what came over me? I who was an American, so who they make them. Asha would dinner time. Yesterday you didn't sleep. Ubisa was an idea about me soon pa me responded to Aisha. You ask yourself because who say why a bonnet? Jaisa fed your wow haven't to me for any mumba because what fresh for say young can't try and I shall seize fire. And to wouldn't be for any mumba to see what they name small bloggers on more Facebook so 100 cities are obey the Tamama. Stop it! Now my young cannot cry of ungratefulness in trail. Now no be one of Kasami Aisha Modi doesn't have an identity. Now Aisha Modi and she loves Tomboy. Uncle Bobra now on pair a deal was a media noom. Kwakwe, if you was nega wodi. Wodi, if you was nega na wodi, I your brand. Yesu sa na yetie delay e wo my FM delay betina sia. If you maba, if you tago. If you maba, if you was nega. Delay na this amra ne no bubo ne ho a o ye ni series e no to ye if you was nega. Obi series. Te se de delay ye kokko brown yi. I was there. A friend is saying, Michi Munina, we nanka Michi Nidinti, Coco Brown Quarry, and Michi Afako Branaton, so say meeting. That also happened to you. Do you have a name? Do we recognize you in the industry? If you tell us the name that brought you to limelight, I Kasa won't dream one. Who because Obi needing, Obi ban, on pedina, on fa and grow industry. You know, just say she loves Tomboy. If yes was nigga, do you have a name? Is if yes was nigga your name? Is it your brand? Is it your content? Delay. On one and no the bonny home. On my FM. And on what them ran born one. Oh yeah, yet delay. Or them ran any born one. I feel all caught. A friend is saying, oh, could turn the TV series more in the face was nigga. And or stare a hungry, ungrateful person. Hey, delay and boy nama. Hey, na a Jimmy phobia. Muditi today, and you envy her. Me envy you on a cramanda. Me see if you're snake, not another because on a cramanda. What's in your retaliate? What's my baby video? W did not another attempt. One will say if your baby video because assassin and not another kind of woman be that. She dare not. Because on him said it is fucking true. On the one him there, one him says I'm not going to cast and you know, not another baby for a bus milk and Nadia. It is as I'm not quite here. On to make cancer and you know, cray. Na ma envy wo. For what? But we are saving idiots now. Google social media. So now, you envy her. You envy her. No, bit better. I say I can see some money now. The first as they build the channel. Money mkwa fast with the Monaguchi or the Monaguchi building YouTube sa. That was what she did. And you can't be uncle saying Crawford image did uncle number 1. And then karma is paying you. Now no, what evidence, a chat evidence, a war, a fear. What did na ba na mwahu pa se ode jana na ba ma me na pa bibi kakra ma me medini djuma o Ghana ha pa na ba na mwanya wo hwe. Oni wo boni bia, but you took money from somebody just to insult the lady. Dia wo ye didi wo Ghana ha no, wo wan sra, wo be blackmail, one blackmail abakwa kodu hu didi enema for we. Thank God we are not doing any of them. But as long as we go to them for help. By sometimes an ungrateful person like that. Afrakumare ne mami. Share James and John Ghana ha. Share James and John Ghana ha. Emma will call South Africa Cobal shower Konya cabin crew for uniform. For cabin crew for certificate brabonting. Don't go and forge it. And then we know you can all forge whatever. Don't go and forge it. For real certificate as South African and you bosso. So we a cabin crew. You wish you saw James and John was South Africa. You wish. You wish Unculana, oh, I'm South African cardio marketing because when you was here to Ghana Haron, when your baby the woman question and quantity and sign warm. So who was South African passport and calculate or your you say the Australian are open what's not Africa, come out way, walk what's in Australia. Australian, if I said I will condo. Oh, you're ungrateful, Dodo. Above 1 pound, it was below bar. Oh, you're ungrateful, Dodo. If you are more boy, no, what do you move Dodo? We are ungrateful, Dodo. We are ungrateful, Dodo. Or be a solitary, you'll be your band with that. Miss Winnie, I say Miss Sweaty. Way, a juice. You also you want winning. And you might agree. If you're ungrateful, Dodo. Way, if you Ghana best organic, onum juice way ya. It goes to metabolism. Juice way, one no man. Still sradia so a masradia well it works only in the tummy. It works only in the tummy. Way ya de na ya cucumber ya lemon ya the ginger. Oh no ma what any my idea anyone. And ya the secret herb. If any this is the herb and you will never gonna have baby anto. Sa herb way obi a person so tepano at a strokes a ma Ntiante yimi onu pema wonom uye onom na nopa no wonom so owe no wonom so aguso no awe no wonom so aguso ye ma 2 days what be so wahen han wo ntadim a very powerful herb and no any different cucumber lemon ginger pineapple na ye dey juicy ye blend different way. So what you said then we yefunu so said then na person yefunu so this is the ebini Ghana how one said ya chire na asum me be me wo buy your factory we ten cocaine as about wo kura to for man na bibi ye because ne boy den pa this is the head and free her baby if you take it and ye dey no ntu yo bi a wo fusun me obi e bisa me wo wie ye ba ne san now person wo fusu tia if I show you need this juice you oh no, come on, if you are ungrateful, what level of ungratefulness no? I brought Jane into her so. That be a madam, yam shimmy mount, Miss Lane and Copon manufacture the mount every day because Bonnie would deep. Timmy just celebrate his Muska, Janama meeting to Mamma, Omunia, who knew your matin keke. Then how? And when it's time for us to tell the truth. Now or mommy, people, you people have precious mothers. Me say mama na me ne bakasa and was in the banana comment mom go first say post as but this only akola my part also I had to let sister Aisha come in. And so mama na say this is the kind of person we are talking about, the ungratefulness. If you be grateful for who helped you, be grateful to them. Frakumane and Mamisha James and John 7 years. Makobo Asha was South Africa. Obia winning the Namubo Asha was South Africa. I spoke to the person today. Ogusu was South Africa. Oh. John Woo, yeah, James and John, Papa, friend John Woo, yeah, and now some Koshia Brony Fofro, if you're Korea Bronini gold. Eton a car. Eton the Sikana Bronini report here. What they do call South Africa now? You're wanted, you were declared wanted. And I do the journey call South Africa. Oh, they don't call South Africa, no. Who has a horrible past like you and still living a horrible present? I tell you what, the wedding pattern. I will come again with proofs, and some of me coming will be our proof. Or dear bra, she can only deny, but oh dear one is money prove and young best channel. Me mean the casa brass and meaning who prove. Won't you wear 7 more as lunch? Let's see about for dinner.